Hey guys, today we're showing you the newly released Corsa R35 GTR exhaust system. Let's open up the box and see how the system looks. And definitely important to mention, all the hardware is included for the install, so it definitely saves you a trip to the dealer or waiting for the mailman to bring in gaskets or clamps that you're going to need. It does include the downpipe gaskets and also the gasket from the mid pipe to the exhaust and all the needed clamps. As exhaust does come with a choice of 3 different tips. You got bronze, silver, black. We opted out for the black because we think it's going to look very nicely on our silver GTR. As you can see, the finish is really nice and shiny. It's kind of like a chrome black. The mid pipe is included, which is a catless resonated setup, and you can see this thing is massive. And as all GTR owners know, that the biggest restriction in the exhaust system is the mid pipe, and this thing will definitely open it up. It is a 3-inch to a 3.5-inch setup, so Corsa claims about a 50% increase in exhaust flow. The entire exhaust system is 304 stainless and includes a limited lifetime warranty for worry-free purchase. Biggest question GTR owners have about any of the exhaust systems is, does it drone? Well, Corsa claims this is a no drone setup, and we'll definitely test that later after we do the install. Stay tuned for the install and sound clips.